I cared for sick and homeless and needy people. I started so many missionaries of charity. I changed the life thousands of people by my missionaries. I live simple and humble life. I was awarded with the Padma Shri and the Bharat Ratna. I changed the life thousands of people by my missionaries. I honored my Nobel Prize with the service of poor and sick people. I inspired the whole world with kindness. You always remember me with love and respect. I was the great personality. I spent my entire life in the service of poor and sick people. Please begin with smile. Not all of us can do great things, but we can do small things with great love. మనం ఎన్నో గొప్ప గొప్ప పనులు చేయలేకపోవచ్చు, కానీ చేసే కొన్ని పనులు గొప్ప మనసుతో ప్రేమతో చేస్తే చాలు. అందరినీ ప్రేమిద్దాం, అందరికీ సేవ